I'm going to go over one of the best bike chains that I have actually found for my bikes. If you're like me and you know what, you got some pretty high dollar e-bikes and you need to keep them safe while you're going into the store picking up something or just leaving your bike sitting for a little while, this is something I recommend. And you got on the back here, let me just kind of go over a security level. And this is an independent laboratory security. You got basic, which is kind of like just a little chain lock, which is small, low, moderate, and high and maximum. This is in the high category. And let me tell y'all, this is absolutely amazing. It's 3 feet long and it's got this chain. It's got kind of a cut proof, very thick chain right there. Key safe program, replacement key. So they give you a little replacement key program on there. And then check out these keys, everybody. It's got an interesting key, which is almost like a, you know, obviously nothing's pick proof, but you know what? Let's make it as hard as possible to pick it. But one thing that I like, this thing weighs a ton. This is a beast. It's got this coating on the outside right here that where you couldn't cut it with a right angle grinder or a pair of bolt cutters, it's going to take you some time to get through there. And they've riveted this coating so you can't just slide it down and go through there. And then look how beefy that end is right here. And when it licks, that's a very satisfying click right there. And then it's locked up like that. And then when it goes like this, you put 3 turns on it and then it pops out like that. Just stick it right back in there and you are good to go. Kryptonite's been one of these companies that has got some of the best bike locks out there on the market. And you know what's great about this? It rolls around my bike frame nicely, so it kind of holds nice and compact on my kind of moped style bike, and it seems to look nice and it just looks premium. If a thief sees this thing right here, instead of a little like cord lock, it's definitely going to deter them because they know, anyone that knows Kryptonite locks knows that you're not going to be able to get through. So there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Kryptonite 3-foot chain lock. See y'all in the next video.